Hi, this is Chennai Center System showing you an example how to enhance the security of a smartphone app. Here our project title is Understanding Smartphone Sensor and App Data for Enhancing the Security of Secret Questions. Nowadays the security became the most major problem among many of the mobile applications. So we took this as a challenge and try to implement this. Our main task is providing a security question based on the smartphone sensor data, that is monitoring the smartphone's data and providing default set of questions depending on that monitored informations. Let me show you clearly. These are some set of common questions that are used. See the 7th question. Did you install some app? These information were taken from our mobile application status, that is implicit intent, that an intent from mobile application to our mobile, taking the data from the apps management details and storing it in our common local database in order to provide security for a banking application. Let me tell it more clearly. Our smartphone app will be having a local database which contains the sensor and app data stored while monitoring it. Memory test and guess attack. Actually, when type 4 authentication questions are asked here, only the authenticated user will know answer for most of the questions, and others try to move it with a guess and they will be failed. Now let us see our application. This is our application, Smartphone Security. This is a registration page which I given as one-time registration. Only one time this registration page will be displayed. Another time when we enter the same app, this registration page will not be displayed. You will be directly redirected to the login page. Let's register carefully. Choose your security questions. You have options to choose your security question. I have chosen what is your favorite pet. Okay, let's sign in now. PIN must be 4 digits. We have been given only 2 digits for a PIN, and you need to give 4-digit PIN. Here is a refresh button. We can refresh our entries. Favorite pet, I am giving it as dog. Sign in. Okay, this is a login page. Come back, enter into the app again. You will be redirected to the login page. The registration page will not be displayed here. Login page. Give your PIN. See, it's an invalid PIN. Enter it again. In case if you forget the password, click it and the forgot password page will be opened. Here, by giving the username, you can get your hint and choose the security question which you have been chosen will be displayed here. The corresponding answer, you need to enter the corresponding answer and you can get your PIN. Your PIN number is 3333. Now you can log in. 3333. Submit. Okay, this is our front page. Here, this is our main banking operation, the second button. In order to enter the banking operation, we need to cross the security level. Okay, then the monitor your phone twice a week for better performance. Monitor phone and the personal buttons need to be clicked once before banking process. Okay, now we go for monitoring the phone. What is your father's occupation? Choose your security question which have been chosen. Here, no everyone can monitor your phone. only authorized user can monitor view. Okay, so that I am given another security level here. Okay, here 3 monitoring process: battery status, phone status, and application status. Click on battery status. Here the battery level is 93%. See on the notification bar, here 93 is shown. The technology of the battery is lithium ion, and further details. Click OK button. Monitored successfully. In our phone status, this is the phone status. For example, see the last line, phone type, it's a GSM phone. Here we don't have any data connection, and since I have been given an airplane mode, the signal level is too weak, and now we can monitor your phone successfully. For example, change the airplane mode. Now the SIM will be displayed. Again go into the phone status. The signal level is good. Your operator name is Vodafone and country code in. Everything was displayed correctly, and you can monitor here now. Then the application status. These are the list of applications you have been installed in your phone. Get total number of apps. There are 40 number of apps that have been installed here. Click any of the app and monitor its data. That is the record permission, version, package name, application name, last modified install date, target SDK version, everything will be monitored. Then some more apps. WhatsApp, SDK version is 23, installed at 5/2016. Jabank, an online shopping app. Okay, now come out this, go for your personal tab. Okay, now enter your personal details here. Steffi, place of birth is Chennai, date of birth is 1994. Enter all the details correctly. Okay, proceed to next page. This is our next page. Choose your blood group here. Choose your lucky number here. Choose your favorite color here. I'm choosing red. Go to next page. Choose your star sign here. I am choosing Virgo. Next page. What's your favorite food? Choose it. I'm choosing sandwich. And now choose your favorite actor here. I'm choosing Nevin. Let's finish this process. Okay, now go for banking application. You having here 15 questions, and you have to choose any 10 question. Only the user who have been scored above 5 will be let in to use the banking application. Others will not be allowed. Okay, come, let's choose the first question. What type of battery is used in your mobile phone? It's lithium ion. Answer has been submitted successfully. Second question, what's your favorite color? Red is my favorite color. What is your mobile phone operator? It's Vodafone. Submitted. Choose your star sign. It's Virgo. Submitted. How many number of applications installed in our phone? It's 40. Submitted. What type of phone you are using? GSM phone. Submitted. What is your favorite food? Sandwich. Submitted. What is your SIM country code? It's India. Submitted. You can choose randomly also. Who is your favorite actor? It's Nevin. Submitted. It's 13th. What's the mobile phone operator? It's Vodafone. Submitted. And this is, we completed our 10 questions. Only 10 questions will be allowed. You have completed our 10 questions your session. and average will be displayed soon. Okay, this average, you have got 10 out of 10, and you will be allowed to go for the banking application. Well done and good to see you again. Okay, this is a banking application page. Now let's come back and try with wrong answers. It's nickel cadmium. Favorite food is chocolate. Choose some correct answers of 2. Choosing red. CDMA. CUS. That group will be B. Submit. I am choosing all wrong answers here. Okay, I completed my 10 questions. You have got 1 out of 10. Found you. You can't catch me. You can't go into the banking applications now. Okay, we need to give correct questions for again to enter inside the app. No any guess attacks are possible to get in the app, so that it's clear that we are providing more security than other application. JB positive. Choosing Niben. Okay, I have got 9 out of 10. Well done, good to see you again. This is a banking application. You can add an account here. Your account number is 123456. Customer name can be 2. Holder Steffi. Bank name SBI. Branch name Ashok Pillar branch. Branch address, make it as Chennai. IFSC code, MICR code. Current balance, let it be 10,000. Remarks, your account had been added successfully. You can also add transaction here. I am using Steffi SBI Bank. I am withdrawing 1,000 rupees. The date May 31. Check number is 147147. Check party is AAAA. Check details. Give whatever you need. Add transaction. Your transaction is added successfully. You can also view your recent transactions here. This is the recent transaction I have been had. See, this is our recent transaction. Let's go with account details. You can also update or delete your account here. You have the options for that. Transaction, your check details. Further, all the details will be displayed here. Then the next one is loan payments. Customer name, loan amount is 25,000. Rate of interest is 2%. Loan period is 5 years. This is the payments. It is also added successfully, and also you can view this. This is our main process and application involved here. Thank you.